So hello everyone, thank you for joining me here once again at Fluid Arts by Elsa. I can't wait to get started. We're going to be working on a smaller canvas only because I'm testing out a color palette. So before we begin, I do want to show you the two paintings from my previous videos. They have dried and I love them. So we're going to begin with the first one and take a look at this beauty. Isn't she gorgeous? I absolutely love this piece. Look at that shine. Isn't she gorgeous? So you can use any orientation, as you can see. I love it this way, but you can do whichever way you prefer. And this beauty is available for purchase. You can email me at elsasgallery@gmail.com. So I don't have the website, so if you're interested, email me at elsasgallery.com if you're interested in any of my pieces. So I will show you the next piece. Tell me what you think about that painting. I absolutely love it. The next one is the light blue base with the pinks. And check her out. Again, another beauty. Look at that. It's gorgeous. And I love like the powder blue base that it has. Tell me isn't she gorgeous? And again, this one's also available for purchase if you're interested. I've been thinking, guys, that I am probably going to do like an auction. What do you think about that? Leave your comments in the comment section below if you're interested in that. I do have a lot of pieces that I do need them to find their forever home. And not in my home, but elsewhere. I do have a lot of paintings available. Tell me if that would be something that you would be interested in. I love how fiery this one look. Maybe I'm going to call this one Fire Ant. What do you think? I love it. Look how gorgeous. So those are the two paintings I have ready. If you're interested, I can do a video of what I have available so you can take a look and just email me. So we're going to go ahead and get started. I was thinking of working on a 14 by 14 inch canvas. But as I'm showing you these beauties in a 16 by 20, I think I should probably do a 16 by 20 because then I will like the color palette maybe. I don't know. Let's go ahead and get started while I make up my mind. Let's get down to the canvas. So here we are. We're going to go ahead and torch this out. I am reusing a canvas that I had done. Okay, let's spread this out. Okay, so my canvas is flooded. I am going to begin with Olive Green Deep by Amsterdam. Before I do that, I'm going to add Pearl Green by Amsterdam. So Pearl Green first. Now I'm doing the Olive Green Deep by Amsterdam. Okay. My next color is Ultramarine Violet by Amsterdam. Next, I have Pearl Violet by Amsterdam. Next color I have in this cup is a mixture. And I did this by adding the transparent red by Peal, so transparent vermilion. And I added Imperial Red by Amsterdam, a dash of Oxide Black, and a drop of Permanent Mater Lake. And I got this beautiful reddish color, but it has like a hint of magenta. So that's the color I am adding here. Perfect. Next, I have Orange by Master's Touch. So a hint of orange. It has a lot of colors. I have 24 karat gold by DecoArt. Very light-handed. Perfect. So I only want a little shimmer. And last, a Pearl Sea Green by Arteza. And we will see how this one turns out. Let's take a look. Let's go ahead and pop those bubbles. Lots of bubbles. And we're gonna begin. Wow, how beautiful is this? I love the composition. I'm going to open it up more a little bit here. Okay. A little bit in here. Okay. I think that looks good. I love it. I don't think there's anything else I am going to do here. Okay, I'm going to clean up my edges. I'm going to bring you in for a close-up. We'll be right back. So here she is, and look how beautiful it is. I'm super happy with it. Tell me what you think. I am happy with the color palette. I love how the orange just pops up. Maybe if I try this color palette once again, I'll do probably light-handed on the orange. It did take over. I don't mind it only because against the black, it just works. It looks beautiful. So let me take you in for a close-up here. Look at the cells. Look at the webbing. Look at this. It looks like little islands, right? And then the gigantic cells. So we're going to go ahead. Look at the shine. You see the 24 karat gold showing up. Beautiful. I love the stream of colors. Check out the edges. And that must be the pearl, since I layered that down first. Look at the enormous cells at the edges here, just and the webbing in there. Absolutely beautiful. Look at the stream of colors right in here. All the colors are showing up, saying we're in the house. I love the reaction, the cells, the webbing, the lacing. I love how the colors just work well against the black. Tell me what you guys think. Love it. Give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, comment, give me ideas. Thank you so much for watching Fluid Arts by Elsa, and I will see you guys in the next video. Have a good evening. Bye.